Ciao guys, Larry Porter here. Welcome back to my channel. What do you want to do? I wanted to give you this little snippet just into real life. This is what we do when I'm not working and not on some adventure. We just have fun on the lake. I want you to meet some of my family and just see what real life is like. Hope you enjoy. Come along for the ride. Be sure to like and subscribe.
Alright, today we have some crew. We have, what's your name? April. We have crew member April. We have Miss Victoria. We have Faith. We have First Mate Eric. And crew member number 5 is on the way, Vivi June. Will be here in a couple of months. She'll be our newest crew member. And here we are, just out on the lake, enjoying a windy summer afternoon on Lake Lanier. Yeah, we're moving right along. We're doing about 5 knots and 8 knots of wind. Y'all guys don't understand. In the summertime, we never get days like this, where we got wind and we can sail. It's a good day. Crew's happy? Crew, everything good?
Yep.
Alright, we're cruising along. Gonna sail a little bit, then maybe tie it to a bar or anchor and get in the water a little bit. Y'all come with us. We'll see you there. Hey, Miss Victoria. Can you say boat? Say boat? Yeah, you like boat? Y'all wait till we tack again. She goes crazy when we tack. We'll get that home film. Boat, yeah. Alright, folks at home, here we are. We tied off to the mooring ball. Can't see it. Federal Park over there. We're just sitting here chilling. A few other boats out tonight. They say this Action 4 is waterproof, but for me it's untested until right now. Y'all gonna see it with me. If I don't come up, either I didn't come up or the camera broke. But it's supposed to be waterproof, so here we go. I thought we're still on. Hey, you like the water? Hey girl, what you doing?
Trying to get in the water.
You coming in? Yeah. Got a few other boats out today. A lot of people out sailing. Like I said, we hardly ever get wind in the summertime on the lake. But today we had a good day. Hey girl. Say water.
I gotta say, the solar panel was a great touch. It adds just enough shade.
Alright, the water feels great today.
She was not brave earlier. Now look at her.
The camera.
Hey, who is that? Who is that up there? Can you see yourself?
Victoria.
It's Daddy. Say hey, April.
Hi.
Say hi to all your fans.
Hi.
Alright, I think she can do it. She can jump. Turn the music down. It's alright, I can filter it down. I think she can do it. She's gonna jump off the boat for the first time.
You gonna do it?
All your fans are watching, you gotta do it. Jump in and I'll jump in right behind you.
Okay.
Alright. Oh, gotta get rid of my glasses. Whoop. Alright, you go first and I'll be right behind you. Good job. Run that. Yep. Oh boy.
I forgot to blow my nose as I jumped. What about fucking up nose?
No, ma'am. No, get down. Get down. Now. Swimming.
Yeah, there's just a lot of stuff right here, and it's not even really.
Yeah, what's the solo? I'll fix it. One day this week.
Or grab my hand.
Push. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Let's push you back over there.
Oh.
That was a little bit more.
Hey, let's probably get.
Why do you need the paddle thing?
I can do it.
That feels pretty good.
That's so good. Like on there,
It got my eyes a little.
in my nose.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Honey, need you to do video.
Hey girl, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Do you think?
Can you see yourself?
No. Put your feet flat. Put your feet flat. There you go.
You got it. Oh.
You ready?
Uh-oh. Hey, Miss Victoria. Say hi to everybody. Say hey. Say hello. Say hello. What's your name? Victoria? Can you see yourself in there? Yeah?
You're standing on it.
I'm not.
Say hello. Yeah. Who's that? Who is that?
Well, that.
Ooh. Who is that?
Mommy. She finally called it wrong.
Say hello. Say bye-bye.
Papa.
Bye-bye. Just like that, folks, we're back on SB Raison Etre at the dock. This is my editing station, if any of y'all were curious, where I do my work on the videos. I'm going to go ahead and put this little selling snippet out so y'all have something to enjoy while you're waiting on part 3 of the California trip. And it will be out very soon. I'm almost finished. But right now I'm going to throw out this cool little sailing video for y'all to watch. Thank you for joining along, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now.